What's up, guys? Upcycle the Past here. On today's episode we are going to restore the Mark 1's beat up, old and totally destroyed steering rack. The other thing is that it's really freaking cold here, and join me on this cold adventure of bringing back to life something really old. If you enjoy these episodes, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Okie dokie. So first of all, I lied. Okay, I lied. Sorry for that. Because none of these two steering racks are from my Mark 1 Golf. Because my steering rack is still on the car. Because if it has to be moved around or something, without this it's pretty chaotic because the wheels go brrrr. So this is from the second episode. I don't know if you've seen it. I will leave a link in the corner of the video. When I bought a bunch of parts. This is an original one. It's a Volkswagen part, which is nice, but it had this problem which I didn't notice. This part is normally capsulated. I don't know if a professional service can refit something here or not, or what is the purpose of this, but normally this should be capsulated, like here. But somewhere or someone or somehow it got damaged, and I tried it to take it off, and after I took it off I realized that it's ruined, but it was already ruined, so never mind. So I went out and bought another one. It was, yes, you guessed it, 20 bucks. I have a guy. And this is a aftermarket part, but the best kind, because it's from Mille. So we are going to use this one, and from the other one we will be using the two bars. So that's the plan. Okay, so let's start disassembling this one. Great success. Check this out. Like, the amount of dirt and grime on this one. Look at that. Whew. going into the oven, but only for a couple of minutes and not too hot, because it has a plastic insert here, or it might be Teflon or plastic, I don't know, but I don't want to melt it. But I want these to get a little bit warm, so yeah, they must go in. Okay, so here are the cleaned parts, everything is painted. I chose to repaint this part as well because why not? It looks really dope. I simply scuffed the surface of the paint, the old paint, which was a powder coating, and I repainted it to be shiny. Also this, and these parts were zinc plated at a local shop. I will try to plate in the future as much as I can, but it's pretty hard because they work with industrial quantities, and I need to beg them for, okay, I'm restoring a car, could you help me out? And off hours they do this. But I forgot these two parts, so these have the old zinc plating on them. But these, even the bolts, look at them, how cool they came out. Brand new, brand spanking new. Okie dokie. So, the next thing is that I need to reassemble all of this. So wish me luck. And like that. finished the steering rack. It came out freaking exceptional. I'm thinking about buying a galvanizing zinc plating kit to do these little bits myself here at home, because it would be way more easier, and the result, as you can see, it's freaking amazing. Better than new. Check that out. Pretty cool. Everything came out really cool. And the next thing, yes, you know it, it's putting it on the trophy shelf. Woo. So that's all for today's episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my content and you want to see more, please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. I've been also working on the barn. I have another ongoing project and it requires a bunch of work. So yeah, you know, spring came, it's warm outside, I can do the gardening, the restoration of the barn. So yeah, pretty much a bunch of things are ongoing right now. So you have only one thing to do: stay tuned for more. Goodbye.